Here's the question I got to ask. Can I forward a Gmail message that is in my sent items to someone else who's not in Gmail or doesn't have a Gmail account? Let me show you the answer to this question. So I'm in my Gmail. By the way, I'm in burrisconsulting@gmail.com. Here's an email that says right here, are you available for work? Please let me know as soon as possible. I sent this email to this person. This is in my sent item. You can see right here, I'm in sent right there. So right here, I click on this email. I can hit the little icon right there for reply. I can hit the 3 dots right here. I have forward. I can reply right there, or I can hit the 3 dots and there's forward. So click on forward and I'm going to send this to someone who's not in Gmail. So I'm going to forward it right here to tlburris@myyahoo.com. Hey dude, read this. I'm forwarding a message that is in my sent items out to a My Yahoo email address. So I'm going to hit send. Now, did that email message get to him? Let's go take a look. Boom. There it is right there. I sent the email from BCI Google Testing account. Click on it right there. You can see it's from burrisconsulting@gmail.com. It was in my sent items there, and I forwarded it to a Yahoo account. Bottom line, answer the question, yes. You can forward messages that are in your sent item to anyone, anywhere, and the way you do it is you hit the 3 dots and you hit forward, or look at this, I love doing this. I can hit reply, and then I can go up here, and I can click on and get rid of that email address. I can type any email address I want in the to box, or the CC, or the BCC from my sent items in Gmail. I'm Teddy, your Google Workspace and Gmail guy. I hope this is helpful for you.